Hi everybody. Objects may move quickly, but while moving, it should have some motion blur to look more natural. Motion blur is a strong feature in After Effects, but by default disabled. Let's see now this movement. As you see, the movement smooth, there is no motion blur. How can we enable motion blur? First of all, you should enable it globally from here, then enable it in front of the layer. Let's see now, yeah, there is some motion blur. Let's zoom in with motion blur, without motion blur. As you see, there is some motion around the shape. So you first enable it globally from here, then enable it in front of the layer. The faster the object moves, the more blur appears. In fact, the amount of blur can be adjusted. We can go to composition settings, advanced, and here the shutter angle controls the amount of blur. When you increase the shutter angle, the amount of blur increases. When you decrease it, the amount of blur decreases. Let's see now. Oh, if you say 50, it decreases a lot. I think 300 is okay. So motion blur add more realistic to the movement of your animation, but be careful because it slows down the preview and the render. That's it. Thank you. See you next.